Hi guys, this is Piotr from Peak Studio. In this quick tip tutorial I will teach you how to make a cool wet glass effect. So we've got a super simple scene here. It looks just like that. It's a simple cubic interior populated with Chaos Cosmos assets, which are really cool, as I've stated earlier. We've got some HDRI map as a V-Ray dome light, some trees outside, and a V-Ray physical camera right here. So when I click render, and it looks something like this. So now we are going to add the wet glass rain stained effect to the glass. So to do that, I just cancel the rendering. I will show you the material I'm using. So I have a simple glass material applied to both sheets of glass in this window, as you can see here. And this is a super simple glass material that is accessible simply from here. This is a ready-to-use preset from V-Ray. So I'll just make a copy of that. Name it wet glass effect. And apply that to the outer sheet of the window, of the glass, of the glazing. So it's like here. I already have some UV mapping applied to it, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to use one of the maps you probably got from our subscribers freebie that you could also still can obtain by enrolling into our newsletter. Or you can make those maps yourself, just be aware that you always can have them. So I'm going to add one of those maps that were dedicated and designed for refraction glossiness into refraction glossiness slot, and give it probably something like 2% visibility. And later I'm going to add another map as a V-Ray normal map, and put one of the normal maps we provided, maybe this one, the raindrops normal. The other one is just for the window ledge splashes. So I'll put it here and give it some smaller rate, like, I don't know, 5% or something. So now I'm gonna hit render again, and it looks like this. Already looks nice in my opinion. As you can see, not much more tweaking is needed, at least for me. I'll cancel that. So if you want, you may try to use some other textures. You may try to play along, play a bit with the strengths of each effects. You could, for example, use a different map or layer those maps. We gave you separately the raindrops and some foggy effects, so you could play with it and layer it differently. But I think it's already nice, and you can use it like this for a quick and quite nice effect. I don't know if it would hold up in very much close-up, but I think it's very nice for most cases. So this is it, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website and Behance, and if you want to get those textures for your own, the link is in the description. See you next time, and thank you.